In this video, I'll show you how to quickly create a Bitcoin wallet address using Trust Wallet. This is one of the easiest ways to create a Bitcoin address without a complicated sign-up process. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google. Search for Trust Wallet and press Enter. Click on the official site, trustwallet.com. Scroll down and click on Download Extension. Now select your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can also use the mobile app if you prefer. Click on Add to Chrome and select Add Extension. Once installed, click on Create a new wallet. Set a password for your wallet. Agree to the terms and click Next. Now click No Thanks when prompted. Your wallet is now ready. Click Open Wallet, then close any pop-ups to see your Bitcoin wallet address. Select Bitcoin from the list, click Receive, and then proceed anyway. Click on Bitcoin again, and you'll see your QR code and wallet address. You can copy the address below to receive Bitcoin. Finally, it's very important to back up your wallet. Click on Settings, then Manage Wallets, and select Backup Secret Phrase, click Show, and carefully write down the 12-word recovery phrase. This is crucial in case you lose access to your wallet. And that's it. You've now created your Bitcoin wallet address using Trust Wallet. If this was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more crypto and tech guides.